right, in this problem, we're going to solve a problem that involves markup to find the original price of an item. So the problem reads that a furniture store sells a table with a 40% markup. If the store sells the table for $280, what was the price of the table before the markup? Okay, now we should understand that a markup is an increase from the original price to the selling price, usually represented as a percentage of the original price. In this case, the store added a 40% markup to the original price of the table. Now, let's call the original price of the table X. With a 40% markup, the selling price becomes the original price plus 40% of that original price. We know the selling price is $280, so we can set up this equation. The selling price is equal to the original price plus the markup. Or substituting in terms that we know, $280 is equal to X, which is the original price, plus 0.4, which is 40% of the original price. So 0.4 times X is at 40% of the original price, which constitutes the markup amount. All right, now what we're going to do is combine like terms in our equation. Notice that both terms on the right side of the equation involve X. So let's combine those, which simplifies to be $280 is equal to 1.4 multiplied by X. Now, we want to isolate X to find the original price of the table. To do this, divide both sides of the equation by 1.4. Now, after dividing 280 by 1.4, we end up getting a quotient equal to 200, which is the original price of our table. So really, the markup price, which is $280, consists of that original $200 plus the 40% markup, which is $80. So when you think about it, our markup price of $280 is really a 140% increase of the original amount of the table. So the table originally cost $200 before the store applied the markup. And that's how you find the original price of an item when you know the markup percentage and the selling price.